Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to use Capitec bank account as a virtual card. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. In this video, as you can see, we're just going to use graphics for directions because in the app, we cannot screen record our screen. Now let's begin. In the Capitec bank account, in the main menu or in the dashboard, we're going to simply press cards. And after pressing cards, your virtual card will appear. And from there, on the top right of the screen, we're going to press virtual. And the app is going to ask you to add virtual card. And after pressing add virtual card, you are now going to set limits on different types of payments in the account. And for this example, we just put in $1,000. However, you can put or set it to whatever you want it to be. Now we're going to press next, and agreement details will be shown on the screen. After reading the details, simply press the checkboxes in order for them to be checked. And after that, the accept button will appear. Simply press the accept button, and now your virtual card will be functional. When you want to do a payment, you're going to put your phone to the card machine as if you were tapping your card. And you just want to click the virtual card on the app, and now you can pay as if you were tapping your card. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching.